Blessings, everybody. We are at day 3 of our sourdough starter. So here is my starter here. Look at how much it has grown. I have not fed it yet, and I just sit it on my counter. Look at that. So it actually rose up higher, but it started to deflate. So it was up this high and it went down. So I think day 4, I'm going to put it in a bigger jar because it's gonna overflow. So, and look at these bubbles. If you got bubbles on day 2, you're good. So we're at day 3. So day 3, we're gonna repeat what we did for day 1, which is 4 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of the flour of your choice. All right, so I'm gonna get my 4 tablespoons. This is a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon. So we got 1, that's a total of 2, and 2 for a total of 4 tablespoons, because this is a 2 tablespoon. All right, we're gonna try that out so we can get the flour. Actually, I'm gonna mix this up just a little bit. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is gonna be a good starter for my pizza. So mix this up a little bit. And now I'm gonna go with my 4 tablespoons of pizza flour. All right, so we got that's 2 tablespoons. And then some of that off, and then that's 4 tablespoons. All right, now we're gonna mix. Remember, mix it up really well. You don't want no dry flour spots. You want it all incorporated, so make sure you're getting it all the way down to the bottom. You see any dry flour spots, you wanna mix that up real well. Break up the little clumps. If you got little bitty lumps, that's fine, because it's just gonna eat it up. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean off my jar here. That's pretty clean. So I think for day 4, I'm going to get a bigger jar because I think this is going to be to the top. All right. So here's where my level is now. So I'm going to pull my rubber band up, pull it up. Make sure it's right at the level. So there, it's right at the level of where it is. And so I'll come back with an update if it starts to rise. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put my lid on it, put the cap on it, and set it off to the side. And remember, it's still not too late to go ahead and get started. So if you want to start your starter up, just check out the previous shorts or the video if you're watching this later, and start your starter. It doesn't matter what kind of flour you use. Just make sure you're always using room temperature or room temperature filter water, okay? So go ahead and get started. It's gonna be fun when it's time for us to make our bread on day 14 or 15. All right, so that is day 3. I'll see you guys in day 4.